Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Mixed anhydrides are named by listing the two parent acids in alphabetical order, followed by the word anhydride. Moving on to the next step. Identify the two acyl groups in the structure. CH3ChO is the acyl group derived from ethanoic acid, acetic acid, CH3ChO. CH3CH2ChO is the acyl group derived from propanoic acid, propionic acid, CH3CH2ChO. Moving on to the next step. The compound shown is CH3ChO-CH2CH3, which is a mixed anhydride formed from ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. And for the final step, apply IUPAC naming rules for mixed anhydrides. The two acid names are listed in alphabetical order. Ethanoic comes before propanoic alphabetically, E before P. Therefore, the name is ethanoic-propanoic anhydride. Why other options fail? B. Propanoic-ethanoic anhydride lists the acids in reverse alphabetical order, which is incorrect per IUPAC convention. C. 1-ethonoloxypropanone incorrectly treats the compound as an ester ketone rather than an anhydride. D. 3-ethanoxypropan 3-1 is similarly an incorrect ester ketone designation. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.